And then you'd go here to center it. And you may put a forest. Okay, let's say we use this tree. We can actually make a still from this frame. Click on the little camera and then you name it. I'm gonna name it Forest Still. I wanted to know, and it's you can select the kind of format. If it was a logo with a transparent background, you would definitely want to select a PNG. But if it's a regular picture and you're filling the screen, you can select a JPEG. You find your forest folder. You want to make sure this is the one that's marked as graphics. If you don't have a graphic folder yet, this is a good time to make your graphic folder. I have all these things. I don't have a graphic. I can, once this is clicked, forest, I'm clicking this, I'm putting forest graphics. I mean, I'm creating this on the fly, and I want to make sure it also comes into this project. It's not only in my folder when I browse, I'm putting it in my folder, and I'm also putting it in the project so I don't have to import it, right? I'm doing two things at once. I say, okay. And this is the still of the forest, and I'm going to use this as my background. That's the green I want. More forest-like. Make it a little more transparent. I can increase the size of the stroke. You can make it as thick as you want. All you have to do is click on the shape and go down here and click 5 or 3. I think 3 is fine. All right, so now we have your end credits. Now, I'm requiring you to put a fade at the very end.